In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on or off editing marks in Microsoft Word. Editing marks, also known as formatting marks or non-printing characters, show you spaces, paragraph breaks, tabs, and other hidden formatting symbols in your document. They are extremely helpful when you need precise control over your layout or want to troubleshoot spacing and alignment issues. At the same time, they can be distracting if you just want to focus on the text itself. Fortunately, Microsoft Word makes it easy to toggle these marks on or off. To begin, open your document in Word. Then go to the Home tab at the top of the screen. Look for the paragraph section in the ribbon, where you will see a small icon that looks like a backwards P, called the Show/Hide button. This button controls the visibility of all editing marks in your document. Clicking the Show/Hide button will immediately turn the editing marks on, revealing spaces, paragraph breaks, tabs, hidden text, and other formatting symbols. Clicking it again will turn the marks off, hiding them from view so you can focus solely on your content. If you want more control over which editing marks are displayed, go to the File tab and select Options at the bottom of the menu. In the Word Options window, choose the Display section. Here you will see checkboxes for various formatting marks, such as paragraph marks, spaces, hidden text, and tab characters. You can select or deselect any combination depending on your needs. Once you've made your selections, click OK to apply the changes. This method allows you to keep certain marks visible while hiding others, giving you a customized view that fits your workflow. For example, you might want to see paragraph breaks but hide spaces and tabs, or the other way around, depending on the type of editing you're doing. By knowing how to turn editing marks on or off, you can work more efficiently in Microsoft Word, whether you are preparing a professional document or simply cleaning up spacing and formatting issues. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.